Eventful night.
Quite the eventful night, guys. What are we doing?
I dislocated my elbow in Toronto at a parkour gym. You know how you can save hours at the emergency room? Do things yourself! My arm is broken, so I'm gonna be vlogging like this. This is the angle you guys get. No way.
What you doing?
Oh, what the heck, dude?
Good boy. You wanna say hi to the camera?
Meow.
There's somewhere I like to go, out walking with my shadow.
Alright, so I tend to see Christmas markets as one of those like quaint events that are generally more enjoyed with a significant other or like, you know, someone you care about.
What's
so,
that? What are those?
What am I trying to say?
Are those
here?
unicorns?
Guys, we're here at the distillery
Distillery District.
where they're having a Christmas market event, and yeah, we're just gonna go frolicking.
Oh, you gotta do your thing.
On the vlog.
Hell yeah, dude.
Welcome to So Much Chocolate. Come on in. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Just in case it's on YouTube, welcome to Soma. Thank you.
Yes. Good girl. Okay, knees are down. Got it all figured out. Look at this. We got a real Gucci though. Look at that. That's awesome, dude. This is how I'm gonna carry Pochi through the airport. Nice.
But like, how is it if you ring the doorbell?
Who's that? Hi. I'll say hi. Who's that? Who's that? No, Pochi, don't. Oh. Yeah, they're playing. Alright, so, oh my god, why am I even trying? I still have my cast on, by the way. It just doesn't look like I'm hurt. I should actually be wearing my sling. Okay, so we're taking care of this little guy. Guys, she's a bitch. Literal female dog. She's a girl. Shibas, okay. First off, they're known to be territorial, possessive, and they just like to try to become alpha of the house like ASAP. Show you who's boss, you know? Anyways, Pochi escaped yesterday, and you know how I could tell? Gohan's inside the house, but Pochi's not. So I'm just like looking around. Her name's Pochi. It's short for Pochita because she's named after the little chainsaw dude from Chainsaw Man. She's looking for a spot right now. I think she was able to crawl underneath the fence by pushing it. So I'm going all across the line, adding these extra like garden fences, I guess. And I got it all along the fence here. Look at her. Okay, that's another prone spot. I know it for sure. Look at that. Look at that. She trying, bro. Pochi! Hey, don't fight. Yo, these guys' dynamic is so funny. Jeez, I haven't seen a dog do that in a minute. Actually, this guy's way too chill. Love you, Gohan. What's up, guys? So, I have a cast on my left arm. Long story short, I dislocated my elbow in Toronto at a parkour gym. And if I can try to verbalize some imagery for you, it was practically like an American Ninja Warrior setup. Tons of obstacles everywhere. So on one side you got these curved walls that you can run up and see how high you can get. A little further down the wall, along the same wall, was this 6-foot box, a plinth, a wooden plinth. So me and my friends decided, hey, maybe we can get on that, doing like a 1-foot step off the wall and then on top of the box. Easy cake. Next, my friend decided to do a 2-foot step off the wall and get on top of the box. Easy. And so I see him do it like from the distance. And before this, we were doing like flips. My friend was trying to casually teach us how to do like butterfly twists and stuff. He's a break dancer and also did a little bit of wushu.
I give you guys a 7. All right, let's get an 8. Oh!
So take full responsibility for my own actions, and this was completely my fault. But anyways, I see my friend do the 2-foot step off the wall and on top of the box, jumps down the box, easy. In my mind, I'm like, okay, maybe I can one-up that. I'm gonna add a 180. So I run up towards the wall at a diagonal angle, jump off my right, take a step off the wall with my left, and then torque my body so that I add that 180. Second step off with my right foot. And so by the time I get on top of the box, I am backwards. So I made it, kind of trip over myself, but this is where everything kind of takes a turn for the worse. But you know what I keep saying, actually, even after the incident, it definitely could have been way worse. Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating. Maybe it was like between 5 to 6 feet high, but then like maybe 3 by 3 or 2 by 2. So not that much space on top of the plinth. My mistake was not looking around the box and seeing what was on the other side of it. Because by the time I'm free falling, I only have a split second to try to brace impact. But what was actually on the other side of this box was one of those plinths, but flipped sideways with like 2x4s diagonally and quite possibly nails sticking out. That's what I mean by it could have been way worse. I had like 2 openings I could have fallen into, and with all of my momentum and me trying to brace impact with my hands, all of my body of weight fell on my left arm, and then I fell through the box. So I'm like concussed for like maybe 2 seconds, and then I try to get out of this box, touching my legs. Okay, I can still stand. My right arm, drawing arm, the most important asset on my body, is actually okay. I look at my left arm, and my elbow is 5 inches from where it should be. And that is when shock sets in. And I'm like kind of losing my breath because I know exactly what happened. I dislocated the fuck out of my elbow. Didn't scream, didn't make a scene. My friends came around the bend because there was actually one of those foam mats set up beside this 6-foot box that we were on top of, and that's why this other sideways box was kind of hidden. I was kind of in pain. It didn't really sink in yet. I was still in shock, I guess, and I'm mostly running off adrenaline. And as I'm like bringing myself around the corner, that's when they see me holding my arm like this. And I'm just like, guys, I gotta go to the hospital. The staff member was like, so you're going through shock right now, so you just gotta keep breathing. Doesn't look like anything's broken, but it is definitely dislocated. All you gotta do at the hospital is just kind of just push that back in and you'll be good as new. Just breathe, just breathe. One of them ran me over a bottle of water. I drank that. All my friends kind of had to cut their fun time a little short because of this incident. But luckily for us too, the emergency room wasn't all that far away. So I'm holding my arm like this, wobbling back and forth like this, and my friend's kind of like slowly walking me out of the building, and that's where we filmed this scene.
So sometimes, just sometimes, boys do dumb stuff, and dumb stuff happens. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Fly. It's okay. It's
I'm not even looking because I'm chilling.
He's
This
just
guy is
chilling.
like on 100% adrenaline.
He's chilling. He's chilling.
Okay, so we're gonna go to the
We're going to the
hospital.
hospital. But yeah, we're gonna zoom, and we're gonna boom boom, and get Birdy's arm back into place, and everything will be all good. Everything will be.
That's not your drawing arm, is it?
It is not.
Good.
Fucking God.
All right, we're going.
Pretty okay.
Dun. Pop this baby back into place. Stay tuned.
I don't even
Humber
want
River
to look
Hospital?
on the other side.
Humber River Hospital.
Yeah, Humber River Hospital. It's
my
like
God.
10 minutes from here.
I cannot believe that just fucking happened.
And it did. Dude, I saw you disappear and you didn't pop back up. I'm like,
Yeah.
is he okay?
I was like, I looked under.
Kevin,
I'm like,
Kevin jumped up too and he looked down. He's like,
I was
what?
like, Birdie, am I okay? And then I saw you there, and you're like, I broke my arm. I'm like, oh no.
We at the hospital. He's holding in.
Got this. We got this.
Oh my God, bro. I got shit to do. Oh my God.
Okay, so eventful night.
Quite the eventful night, guys. What are we doing?
Yo, he did the craziest move. He did like a triple backflip on like gainer 90. Like I don't understand how he
Gainer
did that.
9000, 720 B twist. Crazy, bro. You should have been there. If you were there, you would have been like, wow. Would have been like, wow.
My hero.
My hero. But yeah, rush
Pushed
this
him,
guy
pushed him too far.
all the way to the emergency room. 10 minutes away, but we zoomed it. We made it. Quan pulled a few strings, otherwise we would have been here. Yeah, yo, we're like, our friend is dying. We need to get him in there now.
I was an asshole.
Shit, this would have been a 4 or 5 hour wait. And honestly, I cannot do that with the fact that my arm is in a cast right now.
And we're glad you're okay, bro.
We're okay.
That's the most important thing. We're glad you're okay.
Oh my god.
As
Do
long
you
as
feel
you're okay.
like 1 to 10 now, pain wise?
Still like 9.5 out of 10, but more bearable.
More
It's
bearable.
subsiding now. It's all the muscles relaxing.
Yeah, it's like as I can move my fingers.
Yeah.
I'll do work, I'll just rest.
We'll be the
my
first to
gosh.
sign this bad boy.
Okay.
And I'm not blaming this facility. I'm sure it's safer than it is. And luckily for them, I signed a waiver at the beginning, so I can't even sue anyone. But it's not in my character to do that anyways, so it wouldn't have happened. It could have been like an open gym where kids were told to put back the obstacles, and then maybe one kid decided to just throw it to the side without even thought or care. No, and also like, unprecedented. Was I planning to dislocate my elbow that night? And what have I learned from this? Before doing anything crazy, Birdie, always look and observe your surroundings. Take caution of the environment around you, okay? That's it, that's it. Luckily, I had friends that were able to expedite that whole process for me. What could have been hours at the emergency room only took like maybe 20 to 40 minutes tops. Right now, I've evolved into this like makeshift double cast with a range limiter, so that is the furthest I can go. So I've been thinking, you guys know how you can save hours at an emergency room? Do shit yourself! We did it! I'm gonna pass out, guys. Oh man. Just kidding, guys. This is just blood spray. Got you. I got you. I got my cast off professionally. Well, actually, no, I didn't. I literally just slid my arm out of that thing. I was at the emergency room for 4 hours, though. I just couldn't handle it. I'm like, okay, maybe I can just literally slip my arm out of this thing. And I did. The nurses didn't even bat an eye. They're like, okay, we'll just take you off the list. You don't have to wait anymore. We chillin'. Again, I like to look at our life as some sort of TV series or an anime show. Somewhere in between the story, things will happen. It's like any RPG. If you want to be the main character of your own story, you got to write your own script and stick to it. But yeah, appreciate you guys and Happy New Year. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.